How to add padding in Figma. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to add padding in Figma, perfect for creating clean, responsive UI designs. Let's get started. First, make sure you have downloaded Figma on your device. After that, click on search bar and open Figma app. Now open an existing file or create a new one. Then select the frame or group of elements you want to add padding to. After that, click on Lost button next to the Auto Layout in the right panel or right-click and choose Add Auto Layout. Once Auto Layout is applied, you'll see a padding option on the right like padding top, bottom, left and right. Just enter the values you want or click the link icon to apply the same padding on all sides. Now drag your elements inside the Auto Layout frame. The padding will adjust automatically to maintain spacing. And that's it. This is how you add padding in Figma. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down below if you have any other queries. Thank you.